Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing 10 things to clean every month. So these will change occasionally. So one of the things I like to do at the very beginning is to collect all of the floor mats throughout the house. So this includes the bathroom floor mats and also the kitchen ones. And then I just throw them in the washer. This is one of the reasons why I tell you guys that I always look for washable rugs whenever I switch them out in the kitchen and bathroom, because it makes cleanup so much easier. This is the time that I like to dust and really get in those places that I don't typically tackle on a daily basis. So I'm gonna start with the perimeter of the house and the highest places. This just makes the most sense to me. And I'm starting off with the most delicate items, which are the chandeliers. We have a lot of these throughout the house, and I found that the quickest and easiest way to just stay on top of them is to use a feather duster and just lightly give them a dust every so often. This really prevents the dust from building up, and I don't have to go in there with any additional solution or anything like that. I will do the same thing with the blinds. So originally I was using a solution on these blinds, but we spoke to our blind guy and he actually told us that you don't need to put any solution on these. You just use a feather duster and just give them a good wipe down. I do have a few drapes throughout the house, so I will kind of go back and forth between those. So one month I will do the blinds and then the next month the drapes. So next are ceiling fans. So I like to attach a microfiber cloth to my Swiffer so that I can reach, and even then I still have a hard time reaching, so I usually have my husband help me out. But with this I do like to use a solution for it just so that it'll trap the dust and the dust won't go everywhere, because the ceiling fan is right above our bed. So I am working with Endust in this video, so a huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. The Endust spray is great because it keeps allergens away. I like it because not only does it remove dust, but it also does a really good job of cleaning at the same time, and it doesn't leave like any kind of sticky residue or anything like that, which is really nice. So you guys will see just one blade how much dust was on it. But my personal favorite thing to use this Endust spray on is those high above places, like above the refrigerator. And this is when you guys can see this spray really work its magic. So this is how much dust will accumulate in 1 month. And you guys will see how it just easily all wipes off, and it doesn't move it around. You don't see it flying around the air. It just stays nice and trapped in the microfiber cloth. And it's kind of embarrassing how much dust is up here. If you guys have never tried Endust and you want to try it out for yourself, I'm giving away a prize package full of Endust products, also a $50 Visa gift card. And to enter, all you have to do is leave me a comment letting me know how you plan to create a healthy and clean home with Endust. All the rules of the giveaway will be listed down in the info box for you guys. The next thing I like to tackle is faux plants and flowers. So these are dust magnets. It's insane how much dust they collect. So for this, I just like to grab a little bit of that Endust spray, spray it onto my microfiber cloth, and then just give them a good wipe down, and you will see they look like new again. Cabinets is also something I like to do once a month. The kitchen ones stay pretty clean because I do like to tackle those on a weekly basis, but I do go in there and just give them another wipe down. That's one of the things about having white cabinets. You definitely have to clean them more often. I will also take the opportunity to do all of the bathroom cabinets as well. So next is appliances, and I actually accidentally discovered that Endust also does a really good job on stainless steel. I was using a DIY solution for all of the stainless steel, and it works really well, but I did notice that it was starting to build up like a sticky residue. So the Endust, doing it once a month, just kind of helps kind of restart all of that. And you guys can see it does a really good job of removing smudges and fingerprints, and it just looks amazing. Our furniture is also one of those places that needs to be constantly just looked after in order for it to continue looking good, especially because we do have a lot of furniture that's a little bit lighter in color, as you guys can see. And we do have 2 puppies that don't know how to stay off the furniture, and now we have a baby. So I like to go in there and give them a good vacuum, and then I will go in and just do a little bit of spot cleaning. I really like this spot cleaner by Bissell. I actually picked this up from Costco pretty recently. It does such a good job of just removing all the dirt. I also use this on area rugs if I do have any like spills or anything like that. Then once I have it out, I will go ahead and kind of tackle that, which last week I did do that in my office, which I wish I would have filmed it for you guys, but I did get a lot of the dirt out of the rug. By this time, all of the dust from all of the higher places has accumulated in the floor, and I can go ahead and vacuum that all up. And I just recently started steam cleaning our floors, and I absolutely love it. Before, when we were using the Swiffer, it smelled amazing, but I felt like if you walked around barefoot, you could feel like the floor would feel a little bit sticky. But after passing the steam cleaner, they don't feel sticky whatsoever. They just look cleaner, they feel cleaner. And this particular machine, you can put like a little scent disc in it, so you can make the floor smell really good as well. Or I've also heard of people doing like essential oil drops on the actual cloth. So like I said, I do like to alternate between different things. You know, some months I like to clean out the inside of the appliances or the refrigerator. Other months I will focus on just the bathrooms, but this is my way of just kind of make sure that everything gets a little bit of attention and nothing gets too out of hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, huge thank you to Endust for sponsoring the video, and don't forget to check out the giveaway rules down below if you guys want to enter, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.